Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11. So at first open your any browser. Now I am opening my Chrome browser. Go to search option, search it to Oracle VirtualBox and go to this link. Click on to download and select Windows. Okay, now start download. You just wait complete download. Okay, download complete. So click on to open, press on yes, click on to next. Okay, next and select C drive. To next and click on to yes. Click and finally click on to install. Okay, now successfully start to installing process. When complete this process, then automatically install these apps. Okay, now finish installing. So that's it. That's how you can do it.